Question number 5. What is the mass of phosphorus vapor which contains the same number of molecules that are found in 4.23 gram of sulfur vapor? And give me here the atomic mass of phosphorus 31, sulfur 32. As you know that vapor of phosphorus consists of four atoms, and sulfur consists of 8 atoms. So this mass belongs to sulfur. So 1 mole of sulfur contain Avogadro's number of molecules. 1 mole equal mass. Why we put here molar mass? Because he give me the mass of sulfur. So below mass we put this mass, and below number we can find the number of atoms of sulfur in the same time it is equal the mass of phosphorus. So by finding the number of sulfur, it will be equal the number of phosphorus. So by finding number will reduce mass, which needed here. So NaX contain number, and the mass, this number is containing Avogadro's number, and the mass containing mole. So the first cross multiplication is Avogadro's number by 4.2 divided 8 by 38. And the second by finding this answer by 4 times 31 divided Avogadro's number, reduce mass. So the answer is A. Number 6. 6 is application of mole and Avogadro's number atoms. Number of atoms in 0.5 mole of acetic acid. Here, this is a molecule of acetic acid, CH3COOH. 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen, 4 carbon, another carbon, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0.5 mole by 8 by Avogadro's number. So half of 8 equal 4. So the answer is 4. Number 7, what is the number of atoms of oxygen in 0.1 mole of copper sulfate pentahydrate 5H2O called pentahydrate, water of hydration? Number of oxygen here 4 and 5 equal 9. 1 mole equal 9. So 0.1 mole equal 0.9 mole of oxygen atoms. By Avogadro's number, reduce atoms. So 0.9 times Avogadro's number equal 5.4 times 10 over 23. So the answer is the last one. Take care that here 22 and here 23, so we choose D. Number 8, number of atoms in 1.25 mole of NO2. Number of atoms here 3 mole of atoms. So number of mole 3 times 1.25 times Avogadro's number. So the result 2.2 approximately 775. So it is equal letter A. As you know, by moving the dots, it will be 23. Number 9, 4 grams of sodium hydroxide. 4 grams of sodium hydroxide. By calculating sodium hydroxide, molar mass of sodium hydroxide, it will be equal 40. So 4 grams equal 0.1 over 10 of the mole. So here, there is not mole to say that the sodium atom is equal Avogadro's number, not mole. 4 grams of sodium, no, not 4 grams. 4 mole of NOH, not 4 mole, but 0.1 mole. 0.02 times 10 over 22 atoms of Na. This is the divide of Avogadro's number by 10. So this is the answer, letter D. Number 10. The number of atoms of phosphorus vapor in 100 grams of it. We know that the phosphorus vapor consists of 4 atoms. So 1 mole equal 4 atoms, each of them 31, or mole of atoms, each mole of atoms 31 molar mass, contains Avogadro's number. So 100 grams contain what? By cross multiplication, it will be equal 4.8. So the answer is letter C. Number 11, what is the length of the line which results from arranging the atoms of carbon which are present in 0.12 gram of it, knowing that the diameter of the carbon atom equals 0.7 nanometer. Take care from this nanometer. You need to change into meter as a result here given by unit of meter. To understanding that, suppose that we have a ruler and marbles. Each marbles, its diameter 1 centimeter. So here the length equal 8 as each one equal 8. So we can put length equal diameter by the number of the poles. So here number of atoms. 12 gram mean 1 mole contain Avogadro's number, but here he given us 0.12, so 0.12 gave X of number of atoms. So number of atoms cross multiplication give me a number, and by diameter after changing it. So 0.7 by times 10 to the power -9 to transfer from nanometer to meter, and then cross multiplication. The result of 4 is 4.2 times 10 to the power 12. So the result is number B. Number 12, a sample of oxygen gas, its mass is 32, contains what? Sample oxygen gas 32. Oxygen gas O2. O2 mean that 32 is the molar mass. We have 1 mole. 1 mole contain 2 atoms, 2 mole of atoms. So 2 times Avogadro. So number 1 is cancelled. 1 point of oxygen molecules. We have Avogadro's number of molecules. The same number of oxygen atom found in 18 of water. Oxygen atom in 18 of water is half mole as the same number of oxygen atom, 1, but here number of oxygen atoms 1 in 18 water, the same number of oxygen atom found in 36 gram of water. We have here 2. So this sample of gas mass contain the same number of oxygen in 36 of water as it have two oxygen, water, 2 molecules of oxygen contain 2 atoms of oxygen. Number 13, what is the gram mass of a sample of aluminum contain half Avogadro's number of atom Al? Avogadro's number contain 27 as given here. So half contain 27 divided 2 equals 13.5. Number 14, the blood of the adult person contains about 2.67 times 10 over 13 red blood cells. The mass of iron in them is 2.9 grams. It's a little number. This is due to hemoglobin. The shortage in iron causes anemia diseases. What is the number of the iron atoms in each red blood cells? Here, this is the molar mass of iron, 55.85. Adult contains numbers. This is the number. And this number contains 2.8. He needs to calculate one red blood cells contain what? So 2.9 has total mass, has number, mass of 1x, mass of iron in one cell, x. So calculating cross multiplication, found the mass of iron. This mass of iron equivalent to the number, but mole contain Avogadro's number. By another cross multiplication, we can calculate the number of iron atoms as needed. So the first cross multiplication, x equal 2.9 times 1 divided this number. And the second is the result, the answer by, which is n, Avogadro's number by x mass, which is the result, divided by molar mass. So the result will be another number than that. And by using eng, it gives this value, which is refers that the answer is E. Don't forget, if the result not found here, you can use eng button. Thank you.